Guess what I got, y'all? Got my... Okay, first, I need to get my face. That's what I need to get. Okay. But, started shooting in 4K so my videos can be better for y'all. But honey is catching everything. Catching all the flaws. But what else? I gotta show you what you got. This is gonna fall. Ah! Stay over there. You hush. Utility box. Any guesses as to what this may be? Any guesses? Final guesses? Okay. Just realized I left my knife at home. So that's a thing. I left my knife at home, so we're gonna use my key. It is super chilly out here. It says since 2012. I thought that this was something that's been popping for decades, but it's only been here since 2012. Or are they just talking about the Explorer 500? Or are they talking about Jackery the brand altogether? But oh my God, I got my Jackery. Y'all, I didn't think that I was gonna get it so soon, honestly. Like, hold on, look at me. I just honestly didn't think I was gonna get it so soon. I didn't know, like me, I'm the type of person that when I put my mind to something, I'm gonna do it. But I didn't know how deep and serious I was gonna get into the car dwelling life, and I still haven't even started yet. And so this is a big accomplishment. This was one of the things I wanted to have before I actually moved into my car. Even if I was only going to live in my car for 3 months, like I still wanted to go ahead and have this, and then I can use this always. Like this is just not for a car use. I want to get into camping. I have never been camping before. I want to give camping a try so I can use this when I go camping. I'm just so happy. This thing is heavy though. I know they have the Explorer 1000. I don't think I would have had fun carrying that because if you're curious what Lil Mama is doing, there's her hands. These her hands. Good little hands. What are you doing? What are you doing? She just got all the way up. You see the lights? You see the natural light, Mama?
Mama.
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 Huh? Mwah. Mwah. Hi, can you say hi? A little bit? Okay, it's not as heavy when you're holding it out. So it comes with this little pouch. I'm assuming that all the accessories is in this pouch. Let's see what's popping. Popping. Oh, this is an interesting pouch. It doesn't unzip all the way. It just, it's like that, and it zips like that. So, that's just real different. Okay, so comes with the regular US wall adapter, and then comes with the car cigarette lighter adapter charge port. So it comes with 2 charge ports. These feel like heavy duty charge ports. They feel really, really good. Okay, so okay, I was gonna say it doesn't come with a manual. This is the warranty. Huh? Look at that little jackery thing right there. That's so adorable. I wouldn't know where to put it. I might make it a bookmark, but that's like the cutest little business card that I've ever seen in my life. So adorable. So this is the manual. I'm gonna read the manual. I want to see. Wait, it just says a rip off. It doesn't say on off. It says a rip off. Let's see the back. Nothing's on the back. This is a light. So it does have some type of charge because the light is working right now. I couldn't imagine me carrying this around for a light because it's so heavy. Gotcha. Anyways, okay, so when I turn the light off, so I guess when I turned the light on, the jackery came on, and then when I turned the light off, the jackery is still on. So is this how you turn it? Okay, that's how you turn it on and off, I'm assuming. Yeah, so it's already at 47%. That's really cool that it already came with some type of charge. Because I'm really not a fan of things that come all the way dead. Like, I understand, I get it, but I want to know. I don't know. I just want to use my stuff as soon as I open it. So I'm gonna charge my phone on here using the USB port because I don't think I bought the regular outlet port for my phone. Do you have a jackery? Do you have any type of other power source to bank? Because there are a lot of different kinds. Like, I did my research on them and there are a lot. And to be honest, a lot of them had good reviews. But I think for me with the jackery, it does have something to do with the way they market and the way they advertise. I do look out for that. I am a fan of like good advertisement. But I think that there are other sources of power that you can use. I'm gonna see how this works, and I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna get back to y'all at a later video, let y'all know how it's been working out for me, how it's been going. But I like the design of the jackery. I'm happy that I have it. The only thing is it's heavy as hell, but if you wanted to pack a lot of punch, it's gonna be a little heavy. So yeah, thank you for watching this little vloggy vlog. I will see y'all on the next video.